Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella. If you're a new person to my channel, hi, well, you are so welcome. And today I'm gonna show you how to do your own classy lashes. Okay, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars for lashes. Okay, and this technique is gonna last you 2 to 3 weeks. You're gonna be able to like wash them, keep them clean. Okay, you know what I mean? So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, what you need is the classy lashes, of course, and then you need a fan, and then you need a tweezer, and then a brush, and then most importantly you need the glue. Okay, so all of this, I think I got some of from Shein or Amazon. Girl, it's below $50. Your lashes gonna look sleek. Okay, so before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and watch this video to the end. Do not play with me. Okay, you should be able to do your own lashes at the end of this video. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to do this side of the lashes, and then I'm gonna do the rest of camera. So what you want to do is grab your little tweezer, and then make sure that you have the glue ready. Okay, when I say you have the glue ready, make sure like the glue, you have it somewhere. Okay, like that. So we don't want to. Okay, so what you're gonna do is also to make sure that your tweezer is clean. Okay, so what you're gonna do is grab the lashes with the tweezer. So for me, I like to start from the outer part to the inner corner. Okay, so I start from outside to inside. Okay, so for the outside, I'm gonna do 18. Okay, so I'm gonna do 18, 16, 16. No, let me do it simple for y'all. Okay, let me do it simple for y'all. So I'm gonna do 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, like that. Okay, so if you want a dramatic look, make sure that you're using like the fluffy ones. For me, I like to keep it very corporate, classy, you name it. So what you're gonna do first off is take the tweezer, and then you're gonna pick up the lash like that. So I'm gonna show y'all. So make sure that you are holding the lashes like that. Make sure that there's no dirt. So bro, this thing is playing with me. So you hold the lashes like that. Focus like that. Oh, perfect. So you have the lashes like that. Oh yes, like that. You saw that? So what you're gonna do is dip this side, the tip. You're gonna dip the tip in the glue like that. Just the tip in the glue. And then okay, after dipping the tip in the glue, you're gonna go ahead and, okay, so you're gonna raise it up like that and put it like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so now that we have this one on, what you're gonna do later, take your tweezer and then clip your lash on it like that. Okay, you kind of like squeeze them together. If your eyes are tearing up, it's normal. Okay, so you can see we got the 18 on, right? You see that? Okay, so now we're gonna do the 17. Same technique. Okay, you take your tweezer, you grab the lash by the tip like that. You grab the lash by the tip, hold the lash by the bottom. This camera like that. Dip it into the glue. You're gonna blow a little bit. What I like to do is I like to like test like put it on the surfaces to make sure that there's no liquid. It has to be sticky before you put it in your eyes. That is why we were tearing up. So it has to be sticky, okay? And where this is gonna go is right next to the 18. So now you take your fan and you blow. Okay guys, so you can see it's sitting pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead again with the 17. Okay, because I think I want to do a little bit more of a cut eye situation. So we're gonna go for another 17 and put it very, very close. So as you can see, like you see the 18 is here and the 17 is very, very close. Okay, so that is how like you want to position them, okay, to not get any spaces, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead again with the 17. So same technique, grab your tweezer, grab the lash. Hey, this lash is stubborn. So you grab your tweezer, you grab the lash by the tip like this, hold it like that. You'll see, come on man. Like that, cool. Dip the tip in the glue like that. Y'all see? Let it dry and apply. Okay, so it's very simple, quick and easy. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a close-up and show y'all. Okay, so now that it's dry a little bit, we're gonna go ahead, lift to dry it. As it's drying, take the tweezer and clip it together, okay? Like that. And then you take your brush and brush them together. See, they're looking good. Come up and then down. We grab the lash by the tweezer. 16, we grab it by the tip. Like that. We switch position, hold it like this. We switch position, hold it like this, and then dip it inside the glue, not too much, just a little. We let it dry and then we apply, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead with the 15, same technique. See? Done. Hi guys, so this side is done, so let's do the other side. So now you can see the difference. I changed my mind in the middle. I wanted to do like a cut eye look, but then I changed my mind. So yeah, I don't know what look this is, but it's giving. Okay, so I like it. I wish I could add some spike in between, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna do this off camera and then I'm gonna show y'all the results. Okay, Remember, it's the same technique. Grab your tweezer, grab the cluster lash with the tweezer, dip the tip in the glue, let it dry a little bit, and apply. And then later you take your tweezer and then you just like put them together, you know, like that. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Okay, so see you in a bit. So after you're done, you want to like go in with the tweezer and like seal them in. Make sure that they are sealed. Just press them. Do the same for the other side. And then now we're gonna brush them a little bit so they can be fluffy. So all done. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if of course you found this helpful, and also turn on notification bell so you don't miss whenever I post a new video. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Love you so much. Thank you so for making it this far of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.